Now garlic shallot. In the middle, lower. Yeah. If you slide on the side, it will look beautiful. It will go long. It will stick in the wall. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. Okay. When your garlic fragrant, you smell it.
Oh, it smells
Chicken.
well. Chicken.
Add chicken.
Yes, chicken.
Now chicken. Now, okay. If you like the egg cook more, do like this.
Yes.
But
Like
don't flip. No good.
No,
Like
flip, no.
this,
I
like
don't
this,
like
like
this,
this.
like this.
Yeah. Okay.
I do it.
Okay. When your chicken white, we're gonna add this group. This two. Chicken have to be cooked, yeah? White first, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay for me.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold on. You put the oil away. Take the egg, drain it, gentle. Oh, slowly. You're gonna break the yolk. Gentle. No oil, yeah? Okay, bring spring roll and a stir fry to the table. Yeah.
Okay.
You take a picture already?
Yeah.
We again. So this is our theme today. Like our theme. I said Carabao, Carabao. Done. This is beautiful presentation right there. Yeah. Look at that beautiful pad thai.